Full brawl usually yan.
Chill here with me, boys. Chill here. Hindi, chill here, as in chill here na call. Ayop ka. This month. This month. Play slowly.
Dismounted na sila.
Copy yung
Yeah,
copy.
the OC. Put check OC.
UKKK caller.
Bonk, please. Bonk. Start bonking.
Wala pa yung start party.
Visit yung result.
Uy, dandan lang, lubusin! Left. That's real. Ready on the gate in 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. Hit fast, boys. Okay, come back. Keep bonking. So, pinang-clap nila yung brawl nila, no? That's us brawl. Ay, decent shit. Please bonk. I bumped all my hammers. That's my bad. Fake. You're looking na ha, that's real. Left. It's fine, we chill. Kill any piece.
Visit yung ano, Atlas.
May bomb squad sa likod mo, Miss Piercer, Shielder. T7.
Okay. Heavy Knight. Masakit yan ha, pag Heavy Knight yan.
Heavy Knight.
Yeah, masakit yan guys. Do not underestimate those cheaters.
Like 4-5 na Miss Piercer.
Okay ba? Get all the guards together, please. Come,
Hindi sila-
bring it all together. Kiss and W's the guards, please. Brawlers, drop your E's on the guards, please. Start bonking.
Tamay tayo dito.
Ready? West side of the gate shallow. Ready? West side of the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side of the gate now. Nice. Ready, def. Just left now.
Ah, hindi pa nag-hit.
Sige lang. Just go back. Eh, yun na talaga hit nila kasi. Akala ko mali din ako ng call. Yun na pala yun. Just bonk. We aim for headbutt sa GA, hold them please. Then we headbutt. Ready for headbutt, boys. The moment they engage, drop your E's wherever they are on the gate. Ready? Chill. That's trick. Let's get ready, Ready now?
Looking.
Chill. Ready. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest na. On the count, boys. Big. Okay, nice kill. No one died. Keep bonking. Nani, sorry. Let's smoke. Some of you guys, brawlers, you can bonk the small gate sa taas. Are they leaving? Fuck, I think they're leaving.
Alis na ata sila. Oh,
Yeah, they're gonna leave. Yun lang. Kasi ka ng 8-3. Bang target. LDM, everyone, there's...